Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off install from unknown apps. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First thing you need to do is you have to go to your phone settings option. So the option may vary from phone to phone. Right now I am using Infinix Hot 11s. So for Infinix Hot 11s the option is under the app management and special app access. Then if you scroll down you will get install unknown apps. Tap on it. Now you can see all the app list here. Like if I just select my browser and if I turn this off, there will be no access to install any unknown apps from this browser. So right now you can see that it is already turned off. So if it is like that green mark, then you have to turn this off if you want to turn off. Then there are many options here. You can easily just go to that particular application and turn the option off. And sometimes for other application the option may hide just into the security or biometrics and security. You may find the option here, but for my phone the option is not here. And that's all about today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.